Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Uber gift card. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Uber app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom of the app where you'll see several navigation options. From there, tap on Account. This takes you to your profile settings where you can manage various aspects of your Uber account, including payment methods and trip history. Once you're in the account section, look for the option labeled Wallet and tap on it. The wallet is where Uber stores all your payment information, so this is exactly where you need to be to add your gift card. It's the central hub for managing how you pay for rides and Uber Eats orders. Now, you'll see different wallet categories appear on your screen. Tap on Personal to access your personal payment methods. This separates your personal payment options from any business or work-related accounts you might have connected to Uber, ensuring your gift card goes into the right place. Next, tap on Selected Payment Method. This will show you all the payment options currently linked to your account. From here, you'll be able to add new payment methods alongside any existing credit cards, debit cards, or other options you already have saved. In this section, you'll see an option that says Add Payment Method. Go ahead and tap on it. This opens up a menu showing you all the different types of payments you can add to your Uber account, whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or in this case, a gift card. From the list of payment options that appears, tap on Gift Card. This tells Uber that you want to add credit from a gift card rather than linking a bank account or credit card. It's a straightforward way to load funds directly into your Uber wallet. Now you'll see a field where you can input the Uber gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on your gift card. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos, as this needs to match perfectly for the redemption to work. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered the code, tap Save. Uber will process the gift card and add the balance to your wallet. You might need to wait a moment while the system verifies the code and applies the credit to your account, but it usually happens pretty quickly. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Uber gift card, and the balance is now available in your wallet for rides or Uber Eats orders. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.